Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. And today we will discuss essay on very important topic COVID-19 impact on education. Okay, this is our first video and we will discuss about two essay. Okay, हम दो essay बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट essay हम जो बना रहे हैं वो है impact on education के ऊपर. किसके ऊपर बना रहे हैं? फर्स्ट impact on education और दूसरा बनाएंगे impact on social life और ह्यूमन लाइफ. इस टाइप से जो क्योंकि टॉपिक का नाम चेंज हो सकता है, ये हमने मेन फोकस किया है यह है एजुकेशन के ऊपर. इसके अलावा क्या इफ़ेक्ट इकोनॉमी के ऊपर है इसके ऊपर, तो इन सब का मिक्स एक अलग. एजुकेशन के अलावा एक और हम बनाएंगे इसका ऐसे, वो रहेगा इम्पैक्ट ऑन इकोनॉमी और सोशल लाइफ. ओके, सो अभी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एजुकेशन के ऊपर. एजुकेशन के ऊपर क्या क्या डिफरेंस पड़े मैं इनको आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बता देता हूँ. इसके मेन टॉपिक हैं इंट्रोडक्शन, impact on education, importance of technology, step taken by education institutes and conclusion. ये हमारे पॉइंट रहेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 पॉइंट में हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. इंट्रोडक्शन. सबसे पहले आता है इंट्रोडक्शन. कोविड-19 पॉपुलरली नॉन एज अ कोरोना वायरस डिसीज 2019. कोरोना वायरस के नाम से जाना जाता है कोविड-19 को. उसका फुल फॉर्म बन जाएगा कोरोना वायरस डिसीज 2019. इट इज़ फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाइड ड्यूरिंग December 2019 in one city. When it has been, you can many question can be asked just like when it has been first identified. So you can say that in the Wuhan city of China, it has impacted lives of the millions or almost everyone of the earth. Countries have come to stand still, where a few argue that it might be a boon for the environment and some other opinion that it will be lead greater cases and depression. Everyone know the coronavirus full form is the coronavirus disease 2019 and it has been identified in one city of China and it have affected the life of each and every people on this earth. Okay, and every work, every economy institution, every school organization, every person's life is become stand still because of this coronavirus. It has affected each and everyone, but few people says that this is a boon for environment and some people says that it is the depression for the economy and just like that. And it is a global pandemic. This is not a disease of particular area, this is the global pandemic, and so it is need to be controlled because no treatment is discovered. Okay, we need to control by some precautions because there is no treatment available. So by the government lockdown was declared in many phases. So the government has decided to implement the lockdown because there is no cure or no vaccine available for this. School and colleges have been declared summer holidays because school and colleges closed due to this pandemic. Impact on education. What is the impact on education? Our essay related to the impact on education. So no doubt this is the crucial time for the education sector because entrance test of the several university and competition examination are held during this period. Along with them, how can we forget about the board examination? Okay, we all have faced this situation, especially the student who were studying all the years and at the time of the examination they were not able to give the examination due to this coronavirus lockdown. So school, institute and universities have been closed, they have declared the summer holidays and students were not able to give their final examination also. So each and every school and students have faced this situation. The nationwide closure has impacted. This is not any particular area, this is a nationwide closure or you can say worldwide closure. Due to the close of education institute affect the millions of the learners. So it has affected millions of the students or learner due to the close down of educational institute. Next point है importance of technology. Technology may play an important role in the lockdown. Okay, everyone know there is a technology which helped a lot during this lockdown period, like study from home and work from home. We were not able to study, students were not able to study at the schools, so government has decided to start e-learning programs and many school adopted the online teaching method. So student do not feel bored at home. Okay, so they can continue with their study with the mobile phones and other technological devices. So through the online learning, students have learned many skills, singing, dancing and craft. There is not only study, but they have participated in many activities also. There is a next point, step taken by the education institute. What the steps has been taken, you can write in a point, just like a close down the school and postpone the reschedule the examination and cleaning and sanitization of the school premises or school buildings. Okay, and there is a last topic, conclusion. As everyone know, it is a crucial time for the education. We cannot ignore the importance of technology, and so keep the. So main point of the conclusion is that we all know there is no vaccine has been introduced by any organization. So vaccine is not available. So we can do only one thing: we can learn at home and with the digital devices, just like a mobile phone, computer, laptop, whatever you have. And this affected mainly the villages where the technology is not that improved or internet connectivity is not improved. So we have only one option, that we can connect with a digital skill and digital, just like internet and another connectivity. And for the government, there is for the government and all the villagers, students and the parents all have to contribute in this online learning. And main thing is that basic information and safety rules like cleaning hands and social distancing, using mask. We want to save ourselves, we have to save ourselves with the study, so we all have to follow the rules, clean our hands and social distancing we have to maintain, and using the mask on the face. This type of the thing we can use. So here our first essay on the COVID-19 impact on education has been completed, and the second part will be COVID-19 impact on economy or social life. Okay, so stay connected with us and you can write down in your copy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.